The courses that we have focus on information systems, analytics, and cybersecurity materials. And we also have the opportunity to also have certificates. So as the students are gaining that master's program in information systems, they could get a certificate in analytics or a certificate in security.
A lot of people will find themselves either being very technical, and they love to just dig in and be a technical person. But then you also have people that come in from a business side of things, trying to run a business, manage a business, make business decisions. To me, the information systems program here at Auburn allows you to combine those two skill sets and really make a positive impact in a corporation.
Most of our courses engage from telecom, networking, to also some programming, but a lot of it is about the bridge. As an MIS or Management Information Systems major, you're really focusing on being a bridge between the business school and the IT group. So you're learning a lot about tech, but you're also learning about business.
Well, I think anytime you can get a certificate in the IT industry is always a positive for giving you a leg up in interviewing for a position. Depending on where your skill sets or where your interest lies, you can really focus on that type of certificate to get you into that type of job market once you get out of school.
You're not necessarily leaving with like a computer science degree, but you're leaving with something where you can understand Tableau or R or Python and have understanding of what they do, what SQL queries do maybe, and be able to kind of do visualizations with that and be able to speak it plainly to maybe like a C-suite or any of your customers.
So our courses will also focus on a business case orientation format where they're learning, how do I solve business problems with the use of technology? And how is technology going to provide value and give transformation to various organizations as they go along?